Have you ever looked at a few simple ingredients, minced meat, onions, tomatoes, and greens, and thought, what could I possibly make with these? We begin with the heart of this dish, minced meat. Place it in your pot, drizzle a little oil, and let it cook over medium heat. Slowly. You'll hear it sizzle and see it change color as the fat renders out. This stage is all about building flavor, so don't rush it. Let the meat gently brown and release its natural juices. While the mince does its thing, let's turn to our fresh produce. Grab 2 medium-sized onions and cut them into neat little cubes. Nothing fancy, just simple chopping that gives our dish a good bite. Then move on to 4 large tomatoes. Slice them into thin pieces. They'll melt into our stew later, giving it body and richness. And here's something to think about. Onions and tomatoes are the backbone of so many cuisines around the world. Wherever you go, Africa, Asia, Latin America, this combination forms the base of countless beloved dishes. It's comfort food in its purest form. Now it's time to unite everything in the pot. Toss in your onions and let them cook until golden brown. The smell at this stage is irresistible. Sweet, savory, a little smoky. Once they're ready, in go the tomatoes. Stir them in and let the mixture cook down until the tomatoes turn soft, pulpy, and mashy. This is when the flavors start to come alive. And now, the magic touch, our greens. A handful of kales, a handful of spinach, going in one at a time. As they hit the heat, they wilt slightly, wrapping themselves around the meat and tomatoes. Mix them well, letting everything come together. The brightness of the greens balances the richness of the meat, creating a perfect harmony of flavor. Let it simmer gently for just 2 minutes. Enough time for flavors to mingle, but not so long that the greens lose their color or nutrients. And that's it. Simple, wholesome, ready to serve. A dish that started with the most basic ingredients, but ends up tasting like pure comfort on a plate. So, there you have it. Minced meat with greens, a dish that proves you don't need complicated ingredients to make something delicious. Would you try this recipe in your own kitchen? And what's your go-to one-pot meal when you're short on time? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning with A.L. Mercy for more recipes and food hacks.